Aloha, bonjour, hello, and welcome to Chef Jack's Fun Time TV Minute. I'm the star of the show, Chef Jack. Today, it's my birthday, and today we'll be making a truly delicious delight birthday cake. But first, I need to get my apron. So, for this episode and recipe, we're gonna make a cake that's 3 tiers tall. You'll need 3 circle pans, like these. And you'll need some spray. Step 1, spray the pans. Spray, spray, spray the pans, spray here and there. Spray a circle as you can, as fast as you can. Next, we're gonna bake the cake. So set the oven to bake and the temperature to 375. And start. Now, we mix the ingredients. You'll need water, oil, and 3 eggs. First, get out the cake mix. Add 1 cup of oil, 1/4 of oil, 1 cup of water, and 3 eggs. Be sure to wash your hands after this, kids. So pour it in and stir it up. And sing with me. Stir, stir, stir the bowl, follow the recipe. If we stir and not eat, then we get the cake. Stir, stir, stir the bowl, follow the recipe. If we stir and not eat, then we get the cake. Let's pour in 1 each. Like this.
That's great.
This is yummy, and I can feel it